Greece, the land of ancient myths, sparkling seas, and delicious food. Imagine your family, hand in hand, walking those sun-drenched shores. Picture your kids, eyes wide with wonder, exploring ruins older than time. Greece isn't just a place on a map. It's a giant outdoor playground for families. From the moment you step off the plane, you'll be greeted with warm smiles and the scent of fresh oregano in the air. The people of Greece are famous for their hospitality, especially towards little ones. Get ready for impromptu games of soccer with local kids and sweet treats offered with a wink. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Ancient ruins and kids? Trust me, Greece has a way of making history come alive for even the littlest travelers. Imagine their faces when you tell them they're walking in the footsteps of Hercules. So, pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and get ready for an unforgettable family adventure in the land of gods, goddesses, endless beaches and views that some say are out of this world. Let's be honest, telling your kids they're going to see ruins might not elicit squeals of excitement. But tell them they're going to climb the Acropolis, home of the mighty Zeus, and suddenly, you've got their attention. The Acropolis, perched high above Athens, isn't just a pile of old stones. It's a time machine. As you wander through the Parthenon, weave tales of powerful gods and epic battles. Imagine their eyes widening as you point out the theater of Dionysus, where plays were performed thousands of years ago. Don't forget to explore the new Acropolis Museum. Its interactive exhibits bring ancient Greece to life, making history fun and accessible for kids of all ages. Plus, the panoramic views from the museum's cafe are simply breathtaking. Greece is a beach lover's paradise, and its islands offer the perfect blend of relaxation and adventure for families. Picture this: soft golden sands, crystal clear turquoise waters, and hidden coves just waiting to be explored. On the island of Crete, Thessaloniki Beach will take your breath away with its pink-tinged sand, thanks to tiny coral fragments. Kids will love splashing in the shallow, warm waters, perfect for even the littlest swimmers. For older kids, head to Mykonos and try windsurfing or stand-up paddleboarding. The Meltemi wind provides the perfect conditions for these exciting water sports. And after a day of fun in the sun, enjoy a delicious meal at a seaside taverna, where you can introduce your kids to the delights of fresh seafood and traditional Greek cuisine. History you can touch. Who says museums have to be boring? Greece is home to a plethora of interactive museums that will make learning fun for kids and adults of all ages. At the Heraklion Archaeological Museum in Crete, you can step back in time and explore the fascinating world of the Minoans, one of Europe's oldest civilizations. Kids will be mesmerized by the colorful frescoes, intricate pottery, and the story of the legendary Minotaur. In Athens, the Museum of Illusions will have your family laughing out loud as you navigate through mind-bending exhibits and optical illusions. It's a great way to spend a few hours and capture some hilarious family photos. Let the Greek adventures begin. From ancient ruins to pristine beaches, interactive museums to thrilling outdoor activities, Greece offers a kaleidoscope of experiences for families seeking an unforgettable adventure. It's a place where history comes alive, where the food is as vibrant as the culture, and where the warmth of the people will stay with you long after you've returned home. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your Greek family odyssey today. Create memories that will last a lifetime. And who knows, you might even inspire your kids to become budding historians, archaeologists, or maybe even the next generation of adventurers. Pause threes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic family adventures. But before you go, we want to hear from you. Have you and your family already explored the wonders of Greece? Did you discover a hidden gem? Or perhaps an unexpected adventure that made your trip unforgettable? Share your stories and tips in the comments below. Your experiences could inspire other families to embark on their own Greek odyssey. After all, the best adventures are the ones we share. So let's build a community of explorers and storytellers, one epic journey at a time. Until next time, keep exploring, keep adventuring, and keep dreaming.